The 2017 hurricane season is one for the records. And preparation is our only defense. Are you ready? Welcome to Get Ready Florida, a smart, strong, and strategic statewide public safety initiative to help millions of Floridians prepare for the serious threats posed by dangerous and deadly natural disasters. The Get Ready Florida initiative is the state's leading educational initiative to prevent loss of life and property damage. This campaign will educate consumers to make certain their lives, homes, and businesses are protected and insured against catastrophic storm damage. All of the life-saving information in each of the elements of the campaign will help keep residents safe and prepared year-round, but especially throughout the hurricane season. A fast-paced 30-minute television special will focus on personal responsibility, what to do before, during, and after a hurricane, early preparation, what insurance coverages are necessary, what to have in a survival kit, and how to modify homes and businesses to mitigate against wind and water damage. The television special will also provide a recap of potential destruction based on experience from previous seasons and other critical storm facts. Where to go if a storm targets your community, and what to do in the aftermath of a storm to quickly recover and rebuild. Get Ready Florida provides the best and most effective statewide multimedia vehicle to educate millions of Floridians about how to protect their families, homes, businesses, and communities. Your support of Get Ready Florida provides Floridians across the state with the education and resources they need to stay safe in the wake of catastrophic storms.